Alright, well, I got my vent set up to the bathroom. It's a lot better than it was before. Before it was just blowing up into the rafters, causing some mold. So I got it vented out to the exterior now. I put my old airless painter out. Put a free sign on it just to see if somebody would take it. Probably people don't know what that is. Do I have a bite? No, he's going to get his trash can. Oh, going to get the mail. Trash man just went through. Wanted to do some drywall today, but it's looking like rain and I don't want to haul drywall in the rain. Moisture and drywall don't mesh very well.